It's good to see you back at the High Gatsby studio. We have been learning about Andy Warhol and how he took just popular objects, popular items, and made artwork from them. I've got a little activity I'd like for you to try. On our Pinterest page, I have made a copy of some possible stencils that you can use, or you can come up with your own design. What you're going to do is cut out one of your designs and use it as a stencil. You'll trace around the edges. I chose the airplane. So I cut it out and I'm going to use it as a stencil. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's head on over to the art table and you can see what I mean. So I got a piece of paper, a pencil and a Sharpie. I've got my colored markers and then my stencil. This is the one I cut out from that page I showed you. And I'm going to start tracing the stencil all over the page, having the planes intersect each other. So there's my stencil of the plane, and I'm going to put these all over the page. Now, just to save time, that is what it looks like. Airplanes going all different directions. Now here comes the fun part. What you're going to do is you're going to color in the airplanes, but you're not going to cross over any lines. Once you come to a line, you're going to have to choose a different color. So let me use this one for an example. I like this blue color, so I'm going to start coloring in this airplane. Now, as I get closer to the nose of the airplane, you see how there's a line right there? I don't want to cross over that. I'm going to take my color right up to it, and then I'm going to stop. Now, I've got to pick another color. Try this color. And I'm going to color just that little section. I skip over that line and color just this little section, just like that. While I've got it out, I might as well use it for another one. I think I'll color this airplane. Remember, I color, but as I get to a line, I have to stop. You never want your coloring on this project to cross over a line.